Serve as a token of hope and progress, fostering sa bagong Pilipinas society where our indigenous elders and senior citizens receive the recognition, support, and empowerment they truly deserve.
PRAC created the NCIP, which is not the same with the senior citizen, another sector. The Senior Citizens Act was promulgated in 1992. But it took 27 years before Congress promulgated Republic Act 11350 creating the NCSC. So yan po yung difference natin. We were created at the same time that the law recognized the IPs. We were created 27 years after the passage of the law defining senior citizens.
Support from the government. Among others, marami pong mga programang NCSC that siguro will surely help yung ating IP. Sabi nga ni Comjin, walang iwanan.
On matters affecting elderly IPs, collaborate with the CIP for crafting of culturally sensitive policies and programs to promote the well-being of elderly IPs. B. Coordinate with
pinanggalingan at saka sa kanyang kasaysayan ay maihalin tulad sa isang kahoy na walang ugat. Ngayong araw na ito, malaki po ang pagpapasalamat ng National Commission on Indigenous Peoples, ma'am. Dahil sabi mo nga, itong kasunduang ito, this will strengthen all the more the relationship of our institutions in fostering yung sinasabi natin bagong Pilipinas, wherein this fosters not just fostering economic development, but it also is upholding cultural diversity, kung saan it is working towards sustainable and equitable future for all. Lahat po, especially, nabanggit din po kanina ni ma'am, na binibigyan natin ng opportunities at maayos na pagkakilala yung ating mga senior citizens, yung mga elderly natin, yung mga katutubong Pilipino. We know very well, balikan natin yung quotation, sino ba ang may hawak ng kasaysayan? Sino ba ang may hawak ng kultura? Sino ba ang may hawak ng pagkakakilanlan at pinanggalingan ng mga katutubong Pilipino? Ito ay nakaukit sa puso at kamalayan at kamulatan ng ating mga nakakatanda.
Baliwala po tayo pag hindi natin maalala kung saan tayo nagmula. At yun pong ating mga kababayan sa indigenous peoples. Sila po ang magiging gabay natin upang maging legitimate yung ating history at kung saan patutungo ang ating mga kabataan.